Hello to all the beautiful souls out there. I hope you all are doing good and are staying safe. Firstly, it's a request to please watch this video till the end. Secondly, a shout out to everyone who is trying very hard to reach their goals that they have dreamt of. Especially a big shout out to my mom. So, everyone has one ideal person in their life, and for me, it's my mom. When I was a toddler, a person pitched my mom to be a part of a company in which she had to create a small team, and she has to step into one online marketing company of international cosmetic brands. So the plus point was that she could work from home along with managing the home and obviously pampering me. So she took some products to try on herself and her family, and then slowly and gradually she started recommending it to other people. So later on, after some time, she started getting a good response from others. So she was very motivated. Firstly, initially there was not a flow of income, but a flow of her confidence was commendable. See, being brought up in a small town, she never got a chance to stand out. So it was a big thing for her. Not getting much into details, but today my mom is a self-independent person. My all the demands are fulfilled. She's earning after all. Like, we don't have to wait for our house pillars to give us money to fulfill our needs or even hers. She can just do whatever she can just do whatever she wants. She takes whatever she needs. She basically fulfill her dreams, our dreams, her children's dreams. So for now, the current situation is she's getting monthly checks in her account. She's been to many national conferences which gave her a chance to travel India. She has been to Hyderabad, Mumbai, Goa, Delhi many times, and many more places. And she has been to Paris as well, which is a good thing. She had not to pay a penny for that except for her personal expenses, obviously. Then she has received many cash awards, and not surprisingly, every month we expect a surprise gift from the company. So basically, there are some targets she has to reach them, and then she gets the award for that, basically. So basically, she's fulfilling her dreams along with her children's dreams, like mine, and along with that, she's earning. And sorry, I repeat that, I don't know. Basically, she's earning, she's fulfilling her dreams, she's letting us live how we wanted, and whatnot. And we are getting good products also, which is very important these days. So cutting it short, her trips and the gifts that she receives has attracted me to step into this business. And to be very honest, I'm very jealous that she travels all alone, like without me. So I have decided to create my own team, and I would really like all those who are very uh, all those who want to be financially independent and want to fulfill their dreams, want to travel, can just join me. Like, there is no such thing that you have to invest or something. It's a good thing, you don't have to invest. Okay, so there are many companies who pitches the same, who have same motive, who give trips, who give awards and all. But I have seen my mom grow. Like, this company is 50 years old, 50 or plus, and she has grown from here hair. So okay, last thing, this thing is not for there is no gender barriers, there is no age barriers, there is no education barrier. It's basically a thing for your self motivation, for boosting your confidence, for growing within yourself. So that's it. I'm really thankful to everyone, those who are watching this video till the end, and I really hope that this video gives me some positive response, and it would be fun growing together from here to whatnot. There is no limits of this growth. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope that I get some positive response, and I'll be posting more videos very soon. I'll be sharing her success story very soon, and I'll be also slowly and gradually sharing this business. What is this business all about? I haven't revealed the name of the company, but many of you are very much aware of which company I'm talking about. But soon I'll be soon and very frequently I'll be uploading more videos, and I really hope that I'll create a team of very potential people who are really willing to be uh, independent, financially independent. Thank you. Bye.